video. Today, we'll be going to see how to solve quadratic equation using Python. So, let's start. To solve the quadratic equation, we're going to use the quadratic formula. First, we have to import math module. Here, a is the coefficient of x squared, b is the coefficient of x, and c is the constant. As we know that the quadratic equation can have maximum 2 roots. Therefore, one of the root is x1 and other one is x2. These code will give us the real roots of the quadratic equations. Now, one question will pop up into our mind, that how we will be going to find out the imaginary roots of the quadratic equations. You don't need to be worried about it, just replace the math module from the math module in the given code. Now, our code will give both real and imaginary roots according to the discriminant of the equation. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more content like this. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. And as always, we appreciate your support.